Judge prevents Trump administration from deporting Guatemalan minors. Emergency judicial action suspends deportations, temporarily. On August 31, 2025, a federal judge issued an urgent restraining order that obstructed the Trump administration's initiative to deport unaccompanied Guatemalan minors currently in U.S. custody. This ruling halted ongoing flights and mandated a temporary suspension of deportations. Who is involved? Judge Sparkle L. Suknanen, appointed by President Biden, issued the order following an emergency lawsuit brought forth by the National Immigration Law Center and the Young Center for Immigrant Children's Rights. The original complaint focused on the cases of 10 minors aged 10 to 17, but the judge's order was quickly broadened to include all Guatemalan unaccompanied minors under the jurisdiction of the Department of Health and Human Services. The ruling enforces a 14-day suspension and includes an expedited hearing set to occur within that time frame. Why the court intervened? Violation of due process. Advocates contend that the administration's policy, which permits deportation solely for those with sponsors or legal guardians, undermines legal protections established for at-risk unaccompanied minors. These protections encompass the right to pursue asylum and engage in immigration hearings. Lack of transparency and legal safeguards. Legal documents indicate that children were being transferred to ICE custody and placed on planes without adequate notice or court hearings, a practice that attorneys argue violates federal law. Risk of harm. Advocates have expressed concerns that deporting these minors could subject them to abuse, persecution, or other threats in Guatemala. Political and humanitarian consequences. The sudden deportation initiative impacted nearly 700 unaccompanied Guatemalan minors, as noted in a letter from Senator Ron Wyden of Oregon. Simultaneously, the Guatemalan government, while accepting the children, expressed apprehensions, particularly regarding those who might age out of juvenile facilities and find themselves in adult detention.